drop. Listen here, this is basic arithmetic. Divide and conquer, so charismatic. Hey, buddy, in the chasing hits like ethics. I'd rather put lead in your ethic. Bad sticks, articulate.
So these came today. Sundown SA 12's, dual 2 ohms. Ooh, 212 Sundown SA 2 ohm 2000 watt amp coming on Tuesday. This thing is gonna be a banger. Alright, let's open these bad boys up. That's another box. Box on top of a box. Woo! Good Lord. Dual 2 ohm voice coils. I'm gonna pair this up with a 2000 watt Sundown SAE box tuned to 30 hertz. I'm gonna add the battery, 0 gauge. Stay tuned for an update when this thing goes into the car. 2 of them. Oh my Lord, look at this thing. I had some of these before. These are so quality. So quality. Look at that. Yeah. Vent right there in the magnet. These things are a beast. Look at the leads. The basket is nice. Yeah, baby, Sundown.
Drop. Listen here, this is basic arithmetic. Divide and conquer, so charismatic. Hey, buddy, in the chasing hits like ethics. I'd rather put lead in your ethic. Bad sticks, articulate MCs.